Hey everybody. Welcome, welcome. Thanks, Hylian, for the raid. And we also have guests today. All right, say something so that I know I have the inputs correct.
Hey.
Hey, there we go.
How are you? It's us.
We have Murray86, CitrusThunder, and PocketBear. We're going to be playing Mario Party Superstars. And in arcade mode is turned off.
Are going to be ruined today.
Should probably introduce ourselves so people know.
Yeah, which voice goes to which. Yeah, who wants to go first?
So yeah, I am Murra, also known as Murray.
Here, do that while I go put in on my Bowser costume because Jimmy just wants me to be wearing that while
someone is not
while we're
wasting
doing
time
that.
here.
All right, so I'll be right back.
All right.
Alright, I'm CitrusThunder. That's me. I'm the one with the different accent, I guess.
I'm Eamon, also known as PocketBearIllustrator. As the name will probably prelude, I'm a Twitch artist, but who also occasionally plays games. If anyone is interested to see what kind of artwork I do, you can check over. I can't speak today. You can check out my Twitch profile at twitch.tv/PocketBearIllustrator. I'm usually on from Tuesday to Thursday at 7 p.m. GMT or 2 p.m. EST, and I'm usually on Sundays at like 2 p.m. GMT or like 9 a.m. EST. But I am considering changing that to a later time. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I do, you can also find me on Instagram and Twitter. So yeah.
I'm back.
Good timing.
Wait, I don't have my headphones on though. There we go.
It's slightly weird that audio we're getting, because I'm watching the stream so I can see chat. And yeah, the delay is weird because I heard you saying I'm back and it's just like an empty screen.
I just have it so that it's chat only, so.
All right, well, shall we start?
Yeah, let's get
and thanks,
started.
Hylian, for the raid. Let me switch over. See, I can't be Bowser in this game, though.
Yeah, it's kind of bad. Can be screwed over by yourself, though.
Yeah.
That is true.
I'll see you in the suit and not attack you.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. I'm already looking forward to this.
So I have, like I was saying earlier, I've only played this like twice. So maybe 3 times.
I've played this played it enough to get to level 35. It's a good
like
few
level
hours.
28.
I started 3 hours ago.
Does anyone have a preference on who?
I'll be Mario.
Okay.
Oh no, you know what? No, I'll pick best girl.
I'll play Wario, I guess. Since I
I'm
can't
just
be
being
Bowser.
I'm just being a prick. You could be Yoshi.
All right, is everyone ready?
I was just gonna pick someone.
I'm good.
Yeah, like I realized that I figured out which selection I was first. I'm just like, yeah, Yoshi.
Okay. Do we have a preference?
I don't mind.
So
trying
I've
out
played
horror.
Woody Woods, and it was difficult. Horrorland looks difficult.
I don't mind trying out Horrorland.
Seeing as one of us is actually playing as Yoshi, I think Yoshi's Island will be.
Go to my house.
Yoshi's Tropical Island.
Tropical
It's
Island.
pretty easy board, I would say.
I mean,
Split the difference and go Spaceland.
Yeah, you want to do... Or Peach's birthday cake.
Cake Land.
Cheese birthday cake does look like the gayest, to be fair.
It does look
that
like
is true, yeah.
All right, well, we'll
Oh,
go
by the
with
way,
that.
can Twitch hear us at all?
Yep. You're on. People should be able to hear you.
Okay.
Yep, I can see it. See the
many
lines
turns
when
are you
y'all
going
talk.
for? How many turns? Like, I think 20 is like the standard, and it usually goes on for like an hour.
Yeah.
Well, how long do you want to do the stream for? You said you have to take a break for dinner or at some stage. Like.
Yeah, I do have to do dinner. Yeah, let's do 20 turns.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep the bonus stars on, minigame help on.
Yeah. And no
no
handicap. All right. And let's
just
do,
go for the all types.
Yeah, we'll do all types. All right, let's go.
All right.
Let's do this. This is good.
It is actually difficult to look away from like the stream and then to my own Switch. It's like, no, I need to look at the Switch. There's no delay on that.
Yeah.
Oh my, that is a birthday cake.
Oh yeah.
That actually looks pretty good.
With those lady fingers.
Oh, that's what it used to look like? Look at that.
Oh yeah. This is bringing back memories. Like, Mario Party 1 was like the game that got me into Mario Party. And I think it was probably one of the old shadiest games.
8 was the only one I had.
Fair enough. Alright.
Let's go. Do we want
this would be my first, but if
Yeah,
you want to go for a
now let's do
explanation,
yes
go for it.
just to see if there's what it says.
Yeah, fair enough.
It'll show us how to fuck each other over.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's Daddy over there.
The pudding. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so in the original game, if you landed on one of those event spaces, oh, 6. That's not too bad.
God damn it.
I guess I'm going first.
So the original game, you can only spend up to like 30 coins, and if someone lands on that area of having spaces, you lose a star. And the person who made the piranha plant there actually gets that star. But here in the game, you have an option of like, either doing the cheaper option, which will, if someone lands there, their coins will be stolen instead. Okay, that's working.
I guess I don't have any stickers.
Yeah, I can say for certain that Murray has grinded his ass for this.
Oh, there's some.
Yeah, no, you start with a certain amount of marks.
Oh yeah. All right, here we go.
All right, here we go. All right.
Oh, not bad.
Yes. Hey, Leon. Doing well.
Alien.
Oh, right behind you. Ah, it begins.
So it has.
Okay. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, jeez.
Leon says,
And I'm
"Are we
up
destroying
next."
some friendships today?" It's all in good fun.
For now,
Is
at
it?
least.
I should probably leave.
Oh my!
Cheers.
Oh no! Ah, damn it! That's like. Oh.
Oh
That's
wow,
7
it transfers
times
the
my
coins.
Oh no. That's
Oh, we're off to a great start here.
all right.
No, I think it's only one use. I think you get
Yeah,
the
it's
fan-
one.
Yeah, it
use,
must be.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm not too worried myself. I mean, it's gonna be a while until I get to the star.
Hey, G-Rose. Yeah, it was already redeemed.
Mm.
4-player minigame.
All right. Hot rope jump. Oh, this one.
Oh, see, I don't even know this one.
This one
Yeah,
was
this is
also
from
It's-
Murray86.
Oh, okay. This seems pretty easy.
I thought I was paying attention.
Like in the first game, if even one
I think I can do this.
person misses a jump, everyone fails. But this is one. This is just like last man standing, basically.
Eamon, you have to say you're in.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, here we go. You have vegan cookies, Edgy Rose.
I want the recipe.
Oh, crap. So I'm already out. It's too late.
Yeah, I was like, not in this game, not in this game.
Didn't you?
No! The connection kind of, the story kind of messed me up.
He's saying cookies aren't vegan. That's what he's saying.
Winner!
Didn't you bake some vegan cookies? Gluten-free cookies, that's what it was.
I'm still first after. It's okay.
Wario time!
Okay, here we go again.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't know where my phone went.
I really want to end, like, if I end on another event space. Oh, no. Well,
Let's go!
Let's see what we got here.
Hey, Pass, how's it going?
good pass.
Ooh, I got a 10.
Oh, you got a 10.
Oh, I don't think I have enough coins, but oh no, hold on.
It's 5. You have exactly enough.
Do it.
Yeah.
Was it worth the risk? I don't know.
I really hope you're the first to the star space and you're 5 coins short.
Oh my god, that would be no. Oh, just it was another number. I would have gotten coins.
Here we go again.
Oh, this one.
Way. I might have done this one before.
Yeah, I remember this one. Oh Jesus!
Not.
Alright, here we go.
One of the rare ones like this where you can't attack each other.
No.
Can you jump on each other?
Yeah, you can jump on each other. But it doesn't really... Whoa!
It just stops you moving, it doesn't push
Yeah.
you away.
Oh,
Oh no 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 no! Okay.
oh, I'm not doing well here.
Oh, I just ran off.
Yeah!
It's what he deserves. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. I don't think I'm gonna get a star.
But you have to get coins before you can get a star.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm not gonna get it.
There's one way you can get stars without coins.
Wario time!
Yeah, I couldn't be Bowser, so I decided Wario.
You picked him because he's fat, isn't he?
Yes.
I do have the Bowser sticker.
Oh yeah, I have it as well.
Ah,
Well, some of them at least.
it's one of the things I have earned, I guess, by playing.
I think it's one of the first. It's one of the first ones that's available in the store, but it's also one of the most expensive. That's like
Ah.
200 coins.
Oh nope. Yeah, I'm gonna pass by it.
Oh, you got it.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, you
I
didn't
got
have
penny
enough to
money
get
at
it.
least anyway. So
That's why he. That's why he was
Or it
like,
could be a star.
yes.
hold on. Everyone, shut the fuck up.
Oh
Yeah!
my god. Vindication.
Bullshit.
On the third turn as well. She is. I'm so glad I picked her.
Oh, not quite enough. Oh, I'll take it though. Sure. Why not?
Pretty good.
Yeah, there hasn't been a store yet either.
There's a store actually. Messy.
Oh,
Messy
no.
memory.
Oh no, this one.
I don't know if I know
Oh,
this
no.
one either. Oh, this one. Yes, I do know this one. Okay. I guess.
Sorry, 1 second. I'm having controller issues.
Alright.
Likely story.
Start.
Oh god.
Oh shit. I've already forgotten.
Yeah.
Didn't remember as much as I wish I would have.
Shit.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
I'm just terrible at the controls.
Yeah. It's a little. There's a little bit of lag.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm noticing a bit as well.
Yeah, I'm seeing it too.
I think it's because we're playing with someone who's like
Playing
who's-
across continents.
Yeah,
We're across
that's gotta be it.
Fuck. Got 6.
Oh shit, I did terrible. I don't think I got any. I got 1,
Oh,
and I think it was.
Got all
I think
6.
it was there by default.
So I'll say now, that was the one I figured out how to choose. That as soon as it popped up, I took a picture on my phone.
Oh boo!
that's just cheating.
That's cheating.
Ah,
Boo!
I still won.
Not invited back.
Yeah. Get a 1 or a 2. Please get a 1 or a 2.
a 3.
1 or a 2. Come on.
Three.
1 or a 2.
3.
Yes.
No, that's 1 number too many. Damn it.
It's strategy. Somehow you've got people in Leon in chat agrees with you somehow that taking a picture is a valid strategy. I don't know about that. That seems cheaty to me. In Love and War, Mario Party, everything is allowed. Okay.
You all had the ability to do it.
Actually, I don't. I guess I left my phone in my in my pants, which I am now not wearing.
Thought
Oh, it's that kind of Mario Party.
it's that kind of Mario Party.
Thanks, Neil.
Oh god, it's this part. That'll be 10 coins, please, to find your path, which I don't have. Well, this one's on me, I guess. Alright. Oh, this is gonna go on swimmingly.
Okay.
Oh no, that's good. That's good.
Is that good?
Yes.
He's not.
Oh, I
supposed to
see.
go.
So you don't go that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not wearing pants because I'm in the onesie.
Alright. Do I
Oh
want
my
to use
goodness,
it?
is it?
I'm gonna use it. I need that star.
Is it Weedle?
Oh, Weedle's here. I told him
Weedle.
to come.
Okay. Weedle Eedle. There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Neil helped me.
Hey. That's...
Oh, is the star in the same spot in this?
Yeah, it's the same spot every time. You know, in other maps,
It moves
in
around.
most of the other maps, it moves around. Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a star.
Oh, I wondered why you chose past the star. It's to get this game.
Yeah.
Oh, it does move around. Okay.
It does move around. Yeah. Oh
Leaf
god,
Leaf.
if we actually played Bowser's Big Blast, that would be total bullshit.
Oh, I'm kind of good at this one.
I remember this one
Oh, okay.
from the actual.
Yes, I've done this one before.
It's gonna be fun with the input lag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh jeez.
I'm American.
I'll say I've got that stateside advantage. I couldn't be further from him and still in the same country, but got that.
At least in the same country. Where are you based, actually?
I'm in Northern California.
Ah.
Oh no. Come on.
Interestingly,
There's the
Oh, lag.
Oh,
yeah, there's a lag. Pocket Bear
It's
is as
not-
far as you can get from me in Ireland.
Finish.
Oh.
Yeah, I was the worst there. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I didn't do too well either.
I think I'm second here.
Yeah.
Okay, I get some coins out of it. That's fine.
Hi, Mick.
Oh god, I'm actually now I'm competing
yeah,
again.
those servers are pretty terrible. We're also
Yeah.
stretching them to their limit here.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you have
But
2 different continents playing, so. All right, let's go. 3.
Hey. Watch me not roll a 3. Hey.
There you go, you got it.
Yeah.
Yes, I will buy the star.
Oh my god, imagine you actually mistakenly refused to take a star. That would be enraging.
Let's go.
Use my item yet. Oh, I nearly landed that chance time space.
The chance time, or is it? Oh yeah, you also nearly landed on the Bowser space.
I did.
why the face?
Coins times 2.
Oh,
we're
here we
taking
go.
on Yoshi.
Let's see which of the team is being completely fucked because, like,
Oh,
none
I
of
have
these
the-
games
I
are
have the
balanced.
advantage here.
Oh
don't
yeah,
I?
too bit to lose it.
Like, these games are.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, this
This
one.
one's next to impossible.
Alright.
All right, let's do it.
Start.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh.
I learned how to drive in Salt Lake City. This is practically a tutorial.
Uh-oh, lag.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's all up to you, Jason.
It's Smash Brothers Ultimate all over again.
Yeah, but in inner tubes. Ah, crap.
Yeah, like it's next to impossible for the team to win that.
Yeah, it is. It really is.
I'd love to see them make one of the 1v3s balanced.
That's asking for a lot there, Murray.
All right, maybe I'll actually get a star this time.
It's right there. Go for it.
If roll a 1.
And yay, finally.
Yoshi's what? Looks like there's something else going on.
Yeah, that's what I've heard too.
It's what in Yoshi's butt.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You got a star.
All right, how much? 17.
Isn't enough.
Get some double
options.
dice. You hear two Irish accents going on.
Well, mine's is Irish-ish.
Irishish.
We both have Irish accents.
Yeah, but mine isn't as less obvious. Some people mistake me for being American.
Really?
And I used to get that when I was younger as well. It's apparently it's an Aspie thing.
Yep, it's totes an
Uh,
Aspie thing.
Whereas, yeah, I've lost it more than I don't have a particularly strong Dublin accent, but I have gotten more of a Dublin accent than Eamon has Donegal.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see what happens.
Oh, everyone
Well-
has a star now.
Like thick. Let's go for this one. Oh, let's go. Hey. They're not going to go hang out with Jason. Ooh,
Oh,
versus
boy.
space.
Oh no.
Oh no. I have so much to lose.
Well, at least it's just coins and not stars.
It'd be more fair if it were stars.
Ooh, 10 coins. I don't even have 10
jeez.
coins.
39 coins is a sizable lead.
Hmm. Later skater?
Oh, I know this one.
Oh, this one.
Oh my goodness, I am terrible at this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you hold it.
Oh,
I see.
okay. I get it. Okay.
Okay.
I got it.
Start.
How did I go from first to
Oh,
last?
Yeah.
And I'm like really in last.
Nope. Nope.
Because
Fucking
why, Neil?
third.
Special talents, yeah.
I was doing so well too. Fucking pity
Hey, I got
change.
1 coin.
You take your pity coins.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Jesus.
Oh.
One.
Do it.
One.
Nope. And
Oh, it's
coins.
Monopoly.
Yes.
Sadly, you can't send people to jail.
Aw.
Yeah. Oh, this could be a team.
I don't have my
2v2.
custom block anymore, do I? Sure.
Like you need 10 coins.
Right?
Yeah. Citrus has all the coins right now.
No.
Not for long.
No.
Oh, you.
Oh no.
This is
Look
why I
at
got
that
those
strawberry.
double blocks. Oh no.
What a happy strawberry. I'm glad it's mine.
Oh no.
Oh wow. Steal a star.
Oh no. Oh,
God.
yes.
We
Let's
got-
screw up Murray here.
Oh, I don't think I know this one.
Is this American football?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure
Well,
is.
Oh,
Oh,
rugby.
Do I have to
one
stop
here,
you
yeah.
doing? Oh, you
We
have to
just have
stop me. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're getting lag.
Oh, we're lagging.
Lagging.
That's
We're
what
lagging
it's
bad.
Lagging pretty bad, yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, I know what I'm doing. Does anyone here have any experience with either
Oh,
rugby or
no.
American
Yeah.
football?
Murray
Murray
disconnected.
disconnected is what it just says.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I'm frozen on the practice screen.
Start.
I think you can
Okay.
try rejoining.
Finish. Winner.
Well, it's okay because we stopped.
Yeah, we
Murray,
stopped you.
so.
Which would have happened anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you should be able to go back in and rejoin.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do now.
Okay. And it'll bring you back in the next turn. Well,
All right, should we pause the game though?
I can try.
All
Although
right.
it may be too late.
It's fine.
Hopefully, it should still be
You're
possible.
joining now.
Okay. Let's see what happens. You may have to wait one more turn.
Yeah, I'd say don't bother pausing it. Like, it's not gonna put me suddenly in the middle of a turn. It's gonna be my next turn anyway. So
Yeah.
just go through the game.
Ah, crap.
Look at that.
I just
big
got-
old happy strawberry in the background.
I mean, if it means anything, then you might actually bump into. You might actually get to see Bowser this time.
Yeah. Oh
look you.
no. You're a winner. Give King Bowser my best.
Ow!
This rejoining is really taking forever.
Oh!
Well, the computer rolled a 10 for you.
Nice. Next computer. I'll turn the Wi-Fi off on my phone, see if that speeds things up.
Looks like he's gonna plant a.
He's gonna plant a.
Yeah. Planting for you. Small one.
I mean, at least we know now what.
It's not in a
what's
small one or a
buzz.
big one? Oh, I
It's
don't
a
know.
small one.
Yeah, you didn't have
You
30
can afford a
coins.
big one. Yeah.
Try and rejoin again.
Ooh.
Boom.
You know what? I'm not taking any chances here.
Oh, I can't wait for you to lose a star.
Ah.
Oh god.
Oh, that was smart move.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fine.
My god. So if I landed on freaking Citrus's bases, I would have been fucked. Fucking Lego.
Fair.
Oh, great. I get teamed up with the CPU. Wonderful. Pizza pizza. Alright, I don't think I've played this one.
Neither have I, actually.
Wait,
Eat.
we're just. Oh, it's a button masher.
Oh, you're supposed to eat the pizza.
Oh, damn it. I'm good at the button mashers.
Alright.
Okay, I get it.
I guess I'm
Got
ready.
it.
Start.
Come on, Citrus, you can do this.
So mad. You're doing a pretty good job.
Yeah, where's he going? He's off not eating the pizza.
His pathing isn't good, but his button matching is.
Winners.
Yeah,
was closer than I
Yeah,
thought
y'all
it'd be.
won.
That wasn't too bad.
I'm not sure if this is going to let me rejoin. Like I'm on a rejoining please wait, and there's a spinning dial.
Hmm. Yep,
Oh,
here it
players
is.
joining.
Yeah.
I was wondering if it was because we were in a game, but
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, it's just waiting for a turn to end. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm back, bitches.
Unfortunately.
Like a bad rash.
Maybe. Please wait. Yep. We're
Yep,
back.
you're back.
Wario time.
Return of the King.
So, can I bypass him?
Ha ha ha.
I mean, nothing's gonna happen because you don't have any coins anyway.
Oh, that's true. Good point.
Yeah. Ha.
You're wasting my time. Oh,
Ha. Ooh, yeah.
that's cool. That just kind of shortened my
Party space.
over to the star. So, although I don't have any coins to buy the star anyway. So,
Mm.
I want to see if I can get my way past that strawberry. Oh fuck.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
oh,
Hi.
oh, just another.
Hey, at least it's not my bad one.
God. Whew.
Let's go.
All right. Anything higher than one. Anything higher than one. Come on. Anything higher than one. Okay, that's. I'll take that.
Boom.
I missed the one from 8 that was like a bunch of. It was like a was it casino or just a bunch of gold? And every time someone bought a star, it changed the price of a star.
Oh wow.
Oh jeez.
And when you got to the end game, you could buy 2 stars.
Oh yeah. I like the hotel one too. From I think that was from 8. Similar.
The only ones I've actually played is 1, 4, 6, and Super.
I think
Super
6
didn't
was
really
my
hold me. I didn't like Super too much.
Yeah, same with me.
What was the last one that was on the Switch?
Super.
Super.
That was Super.
Yeah, I played that one, but yeah, I didn't play it too much.
You got a star.
Actually, was the that one from Super maybe? I can't remember.
Wonderful.
Oh, 7 coins. Fucking prick.
Oh,
Isn't even
oh,
booze on this to steal shit from people. Oh Jesus, this one's hell.
Oh, I think I know what this one is. No,
Oh, I
not
hate this
one.
Like you can just get full on fucked. Like if you're going first, you're screwed.
Oh god, yeah.
I don't remember this one. I don't think I've ever played this one.
So you have to choose. You have to aim, set the power, and it's whoever chips it closest. We all do it in order. So whoever goes first is fucked, basically.
It's a
Yeah.
hold,
basically.
not a press. Okay, glad I practiced.
It's like Mario. It's like Mario Golf with bullshit here.
Oh, fuck.
Yes. I'm going last.
Yes.
At least it's somewhat straight ahead. Fuck.
No, that's too much.
Doesn't seem too bad, actually.
Wow.
Ooh. That
Wow.
was close.
Get all the
Holy
way fucked.
crap.
Oh shit, get hit. Like, I think you legitimately have to get it in to get it better.
Yeah, that was really good.
Got input lag.
Oh my
So,
goodness.
like, it
He
was
did
swinging
get
up and
better.
down.
Pocket Bear got better.
Oh,
Not better.
Yes.
fuck. Not better.
Nope.
Go, 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 go.
Yes!
By one.
0.01.
By one.
Man, we were all so close to each other.
Yeah, so
Pulled it out at the end.
I got my pity change. That's good with me.
Wario time!
All right. Wait, do I? Yeah, I got enough coins to get the star. Yes.
No, you don't. You need 20.
Oh, you're right. I was thinking you need 10.
No, you're thinking Super Mario Party. Like in that one, you only need like 10 points for the star.
Yeah.
Oh,
It varies. It can be as low as 5 or as high as 30.
Mm.
Why would I buy anything? Why would I have enough for a star?
Oh,
Aw.
poor babe.
Wee lamb.
I guess I need to get good.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think this.
barely.
Oh, that was close.
Oh,
Oh, a hidden block.
oh, it's coins. Okay.
Yeah, it'll probably give me enough to buy a star when I get there, though.
Hey, Hooded
Like
Griffin.
Jason.
It's going well.
Do I want to buy something? Oh. Oh god, I'm gonna talk to the freaking Goomba anyway. Ooh, no, the block I just got maybe may save me for this in this particular instance.
Right now, you want to go into Bowser because then you can warp and swap with someone else. Throw one of us in there.
Yeah. God damn it.
No, that's what you want.
Oh, that's what I want. Yeah.
Is it, like, on your start of your next turn, you warp with someone else, and then we're the one that's in there.
Oh,
That's so
yeah,
mean.
of course.
Okay.
I wonder, can you land on your own Star Stealer?
I don't think anything will happen, honestly.
Just in case I end up in there.
Oh god, if I use that warp block and then I just switch it with Citrus. Oh no.
When you get to the end game, you can buy a golden warp block that lets you choose who you switch with.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. Oh no, the golden pipe actually it actually takes you directly to the star.
No, that's the golden pipe. It's the golden warp block.
Oh, okay, that's different. Okay.
See, yeah.
Oh, Jason, you're paired with Murray. Good luck.
Wow.
Ooh, this one. Okay. This is the one with the pipes.
What is this?
Hold
Masher?
L to pump up.
Oh, I see.
Oh,
It's not
okay.
masher.
It's not quite a masher, but it's a rhythm.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Got it.
Okay, I got it. Maybe. We'll see.
I'm reasonably good at this one.
Hey, Flaming Baguette.
Come on, Citrus, you can do this.
Fine
far ahead of
balloon,
us.
they're blowing up.
Go on.
Oh!
Yes.
We're close.
Yep, we're enjoying it. It's been pretty fun.
Yeah, we're enjoying ourselves so far.
I'm in
Somehow,
fourth,
we're still
but-
friends.
We're still friends, yeah.
I mean, to be fair, we're like
Also, you gotta
halfway
wait.
through the board now.
Yeah, you gotta wait till like the last 5 turns before you start slitting throats.
Oh yeah.
The bonus stars as well.
Oh yeah, for sure. Ooh, nice.
Okay. I'm just gonna steal my money. But don't
We're
have.
all gonna end up on the small island, so the warp blocks, the water, gonna be useless.
Yeah, I'm
That
realizing
would
that
be
now.
fantastic.
God damn it.
If I'm the only one not there next turn, I'm gonna be really annoyed.
And...
The fucking blocks are useless now.
Oh, there's still me.
I mean, yeah, but that's like a 1 in 3 chance.
I don't have 15 coins. Give me what you got, okay?
Jay Fry's over here paying
And a
for
curse
shit out.
block. Okay.
Ow!
Hey! Finally a lucky space.
You get 20 coins.
20, 20, 20.
Ow!
A double dice.
Yeah, double dice. Double
Yeah,
dice.
that's
is
bad.
bad.
-1. Roll a -1.
-1. Oh my god. Needed less than 9 because I don't have enough for a star. No, I do.
Oh, you need to land on my space. God damn it. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm gonna chance it. I'm gonna chance it.
Oh no.
I'm gonna see what happens. Yeah!
No way. Watch you end up on the island again.
Just give me less than 5. No, that's exactly 5.
That's what you fucking get.
Hey, at least I'm out of there.
Oof. Okay, what do I do?
If you have at least a 50-50 chance of skipping Bowser.
I just moved back 2 spaces. I'm right back where I started.
So all your turn did was lose you 3 coins and move me 2 spaces forward.
And it's a 1v3.
Oh god.
Hopefully it's one that you get fucked on. Ooh.
River Raiders.
River Raiders.
Oh, I think this is one where everyone gets coins. Yeah.
We just move.
Eamon is towing us a little, so he has some influence on where we go.
Like pushing us into a log.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And also, we can get in each other's way.
Yeah.
Please don't.
Please. Okay, I'll do just that then.
I tried to slow down to see if
Oh,
I could get it
sorry,
down.
Citruses.
Yeah.
Oh, I turned so slow.
Nope. Oh no! We all get the coins.
It's the team.
It's a team thing now.
Oh.
Ouch. It's just an asymmetric team thing.
No, I got.
Oh, we got more.
Yeah, we did it.
I think we all got 17.
Oh, still salty that I passed by feckin'.
Hey, we got enough to buy a star now.
Get fucked, Murray. If it's at least I can get another item for myself, so
Wario time.
maybe this will work to my advantage.
Oh, wait. Wait, hold on.
You press
Where am I?
You're at the top of the main.
Oh, okay, of the main one. All right.
Yeah.
He's miles from me.
Yeah, I was confused because I was like, wait a second, but I'm going this other way. I'm gonna do the double dice.
It's just
While I have coins, I might as well
Yeah.
try and
Yeah,
get this a star.
May as well.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, Alpha Daddy Pup. Happy Sunday to you. All right, do we all? Everyone but Murray has a star. Has 2 stars.
Dare you say that? How dare you?
So you like
I do
cake,
like
do
cake.
you?
What's this cake going to do? Slightly afraid.
Oh boy.
Oh, it just took 20 coins. Deadly.
Yeah, I
just
just take
took
20 coins. Yeah.
He space.
Hey, you could get it back right here.
Yeah, triple dice.
I got 10 back.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Enough to buy a star.
Let's go.
Well,
The board does look very appetizing. It's making me hungry.
I have a bag of chips on the table beside me that, like, there's a way to silently eat them. I'd open them.
wait, are chips or fries? Because bear in mind.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I translated for the American.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Okay.
Hey, at least you got it.
Uh-oh, Bowser space.
If any of us had to land on it, I'll take it. I'll take the fall.
Start. Does it start? Does it start? Does it start? What's
Bowser Revolution.
Oh, what's happening here?
Oh,
Yeah, so it's gonna take
So
all of our
it
coins and
take- yeah,
redistribute them.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna might gain a coin or two.
175.
I had 45 before this.
Yeah.
Lost 2 coins.
Well, it's definitely in my
it doesn't
favor.
even, no, this is bullshit. It doesn't even say I'm second. You 3 are joint first, and I'm in 4th. It doesn't even give me second.
Oh god, this one.
This one's nuts. don't be near each other.
Yeah.
Don't tell me I disconnected again.
Start.
Oh shit.
Crap.
Oh god.
One of us has to do that.
No. Oh, I'm
gonna
gonna get it. Do it, Murray. This is the
Get
actual
it.
one.
Yes.
I got it. Rooting for you here.
He either had to take me or Murray out, so.
Look, it's first, fourth. Now I'm third and fourth.
It's what you deserve.
Wario time!
All right. Oh, they have.
All new items here.
Hmm. Oh, I guess the triple dice. I'll take the triple dice.
Ha ha ha!
I don't like the flower lottery.
I like it because I've never lost it.
So far.
I think I've lost every time. Hey! Although I am worried about, yeah, going around and...
Oh, fuck, you do.
Oh, you got points to actually. Oh
But-
god, no.
I'm so used to having no coins, though. That's the problem. Alright, we'll just do a small.
I would have gone for
The big one?
one.
Yeah,
Like,
I mean, I
you'll
guess...
You'll get 20 coins back by that stage, but like
Yeah.
You think?
stealing
Okay.
a star from someone is worth any amount of money.
Yeah, I
Oh,
guess
yeah.
you're right. That is the whole point of the game, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're like, bad strategy.
Just not as much of a heartless prick as I am. You're too. It's that Texan niceness that you just can't
I
get.
probably overthink things. That's the problem.
Out. Yeah.
I have a bad habit of that as well, so I know exactly what you mean.
Like I'm an agent of chaos. I'm not playing to win. I'm just playing to make you three as salty as humanly possible.
Yeah, Murray's not here to make friends. He just wants to watch the world burn.
I'm just here to entertain myself.
Which one do I want? Yeah, I'll get this one.
Fantastic flaming brigade. I love it.
Oh, that's good. That's nice.
Alright, can't do worse than last turn. That's my item.
Sounds like a challenge.
Oh my god.
You got a star.
Hey, watch it.
Alright, 4-player minigame. Sneak and
Oh,
snore.
no.
I don't know this one.
Oh, this one. This one.
Oh,
I
I'm
think
just
I know
gonna.
this one.
This one is next to impossible for anyone to win.
Oh, did the game freeze for anyone here?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
frozen as well.
Oh shit.
Let's see who gets dropped.
I'm
Oh,
Atlantic
God.
Ocean.
Communication was interrupted.
No.
Did someone?
Oh, I'm back in. I
I
think
think I'm still here.
I'm still here.
Yeah, I'm with CPU players.
I'm with CPU players as well.
All right, I'll do this. I'll do this mini game and.
Oh, so what happened to me is
Oh,
if
I
you
am too.
exit, Yeah, so exit the game, and then reopen Mario Party. Like, go to your home screen, close the game, rejoin online, and it'll say you were in a game before. Do you want to rejoin it?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And hopefully we'll get back to it before. No, J-Base, no. Oh no, you need to keep playing.
Oh, well. Did I screw it up?
Maybe.
Probably screwed it up.
You were the host.
Yeah, I know. But I was
It
with
should have
CPU
saved your
players too.
progress.
Yeah, I think I screwed it up.
Maybe. Looking for game.
I think our game is lost.
Maybe.
No.
Oh, I have to. Yeah. Oh, that's not it.
Yeah.
My
Crap.
game is lost.
Oh man,
Do
I
we
think
want
we
to
lost
restart
it.
a 10 round?
just
Yeah.
what I thought ahead.
Yeah.
I'll create a room. You're
Okay.
all friends.
Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Jay, check to see if your progress is still there. Because there should at least be an option of where you can actually where you actually you can start where you left off.
Oh, I mean, you can't.
Nah, it doesn't say anything.
Oh.
That's gone. Yeah,
I think it's gone. Well, I'm not even connected anymore. I think it's just completely gone.
And did you try going through the pipe and everything?
Yep.
Oh, heck.
There's a room.
Well,
open.
it even wants me to create a new room. I think the whole game just died.
Yeah, the game is that if you join a room, I've got one open.
You have one?
All right.
I have one.
Yeah, I'm keep searching. It says no room can be found.
Yeah, same.
Is it the servers?
With the servers, I've sent invites to the three of you.
Oh,
There we go.
yeah, I got it. Oh, did I screw up?
Citrus is in. Price is in. The one that's on the same server as me is taking the longest to join.
Okay,
I'll
joining
send
in now.
Hey, same board, or do you want to switch it up?
I don't mind switching it up, actually.
Yeah, we can switch it up.
I'm partial towards Horrorland myself.
I am
I-
down for any of it because I haven't played any of it.
We might leave, seeing as we don't have a ton of time, we might not go for the hard one.
Oh, okay, fair.
That's true.
The space one.
All right.
Oh, no, I didn't mean to sign on to play.
These same people.
people.
You know what? I'm gonna be the trans icon here.
Yes, I feel explorers. Yes, we're still all friends. Although the game
Yeah.
died, so we're not friends with Nintendo right this second. So.
No.
You killed the game, so you like should hate you. Yeah, no, the Nintendo servers shot themselves.
I think
Yeah.
yeah.
Listen,
I think it completely died.
I think it's just not the best when it comes to like intercontinental online.
Probably.
Like if we're all playing in like a similar region like Europe, then it wouldn't be much of an issue. But since it's like two Irish people and two Americans like
Yeah.
playing, then I think that's what's been causing issues.
get on EA to send you to somewhere in Europe. I have offices here, right?
Well, right now we're not traveling at all. Oh, thank you. Original Schisms.
Oh, flirting's already started, I see.
Yeah, I've played this one before. That countdown to something. I can't remember what it does.
It counts
Something
down
about
to
the satellite? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the Bowser shoots a laser, and if anyone is like in the line of sight, they go back to the start of the board with 0 coins.
Ah, okay.
I gotta say though, the graphics on this game looks really good. Because like you see like the subtle reflections on the floor.
Why am I always
Are you
first?
kidding me?
Thanks for following.
I'm last this time.
This is third and fourth. So.
This is so transphobic already. Goddamn.
J.K. Rowling was a consultant on this game. Oh, this is one where she moves around.
Yeah, I think she moves around in this one.
Mm-hmm. There's actually an item where called the chomp, chomp collar, where you can actually like have the star move around, so you can actually screw someone over who's like actually getting close to a star.
Wario time!
Mario time.
Audio gonna win. Wow, he might. Oh, this one has a bank as well.
Yeah. So if you pass by it, you have to deposit coins. But if you land in it, you get the coins that are deposited in there.
Yeah, I would say, what would y'all say, that this is better than Super Mario Party? I think it is.
I like to think it is.
better.
Yeah.
But I think I also reconcile that it's also because it has a lot of the old stuff in it.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Which I don't necessarily mind.
Well, I mean, it looks great. I mean, they've taken the old boards and just made them look wonderful.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on here? Runaway spaceship.
My bad.
Let's see what I get here.
I'm not. Oh, right. I was accidentally spamming stickers. Apologies.
Oh, item bag. Let's see what I got here. I get
Oh, you got 3.
I get a warp block,
Hit a warp block when you're in first.
cursed dice block, and
the
a
key.
skeleton key.
Yeah, because they have gates that you need the skeleton key.
Yeah.
That was our
Oh,
first
just
one last
again.
time.
That was our first one as well.
Yeah. Alright, maybe I can do better now. We'll see.
Yeah. I'm not getting as much input lag this time.
And the lag said no.
Start.
You shut your horn out. Oh, you jinxed us, you prick.
No!
Oh,
Oh jeez. This is gonna be a challenge with the
Ow!
Oh, I thought I jumped way too early there. Goddamn.
And they, after a while, they just start randomly changing the
Oh, is it
time.
randomly changing?
Yes! Get fucked, Murray.
You wish.
That's I love you in Irish.
Yes.
No, the I love you word is definitely not going to be said on an American stream. You guys do
What?
not
The Sniffit Patrol.
have as much fondness for it as we do.
Wait, what are the snippet? We chase down speeders for just 5 coins. Okay, I don't know what that means. But we'll So maybe it's people who do a lot of
Maybe
high
people
roll
who move-
high roll
Yeah.
around there. All right.
What's this? Stop the wheel. Golden pipe brings you right to the star.
Finish.
Accursed.
Got it.
Call the feds, you snitch. Oh. Nice.
Oh, he's speeding. He needs to be pulled over.
No one's made it past the bank yet.
No, not yet.
watch me roll a 1 and push everyone back again.
Oh, don't you fucking don't jinx us. Don't you put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby.
Wonderful. It's because I did so well in the first.
Yeah. I know how to use all that.
Sound. I mean, if I roll a 1, that fucking Yoshi.
Oh, everyone versus.
Has anyone else been the one person off in a 1v3 yet?
My AI has.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
All right, here we go
It's on the
again.
other side
This is last time this one gave us trouble.
Yeah.
This one's so hard.
Start. Finish.
Ah.
Yeah.
Winners.
Yeah, that seems like a very difficult one.
Yeah.
It's funny, I forgot I could tackle. Like, I was running right behind you and I went, oh yeah, and just tackle.
We're a third of the way through the game and haven't gotten past the first stretch yet.
It'd be amazing. I was just thinking it'd be amazing if no one gets a star.
Oh god.
Like, we only get winners from the bonus
From the
stars.
bonus stars, yeah.
Just usually how it goes anyway. Oh, this one's cool.
Same one.
Got it.
I have to start dishing out the cursed dice.
Oh, I've got some new sexy dice arriving either tomorrow or the next day. I can't wait.
We don't need to know that, Murray.
I have hobbies. I like dice. Actually, shit, I just realized I'm not going to be home most of Tuesday. Hopefully it arrives tomorrow.
Uh-oh.
The connection's unstable. Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Oh, no.
It went away already for me.
Is this just going to
Wait,
end up...
isn't this the one that sends everyone back?
Yeah.
Also, connection unstable is what we got before it disconnected last time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
But it was right in the middle of a mini-game start, too.
Yeah.
Connection was interrupted.
Yeah,
And
that's not good.
So what should
now-
we do here?
Okay, so Jason, you stay in the game.
Okay.
I'm going to try something. Oh wait, no, it's my game. I just
Your
said
game.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Never mind. The game is dead.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Murray.
Cursed. No, the game was probably dead anyway. Like I think Jason was right.
I think once it disconnects, you're disconnected from the server, and so there's no hope of getting back.
There's no hope. Well,
Well, should we just call it?
yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Well,
The first community day was a rousing success.
well, I mean, we learned a lot. We now know how
Yeah.
to do these things, and so
I think if we're gonna do this again, I think we're better equipped now if we're gonna do this again, which I would love to do, by the way.
Yeah.
yes,
For sure.
I will. Yeah, I will be figuring out the next time I can do it. I will do it on a day that I don't have the kids and stuff I have to do with the kids, and I'll make sure I have the whole afternoon free so that we can have I want to get 2 games in and not just have to settle on one game. So, so I'll have more time to do it. So.
Yeah, I get you.
But I'll look at my calendar and pick a weekend.
I think I might. We might be an idea for me and Pocket Bear to bow out to the next one, just to have you test one where it's purely American servers and see if that helps.
See if that's the problem.
It's like,
Come
if
on,
that was the
Nintendo.
problem,
Fix your servers.
why y'all acting brand new?
All right. Well, thanks.
Well, connections issues aside, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, had a lot of fun.
Besides all that, thank y'all for joining me for this. We'll do it again. I thought it was really fun. And so and thanks everyone who joined us. And I'll be back later on to play some more Kingdom Hearts.
You know what else you could do again, Jason?
What?
Raid shrimp.
Do arcade mode?
A raid shrimp.
Raid shrimp.
Raid
All right,
shrimp?
for Murray. Murray is always wanting me to raid shrimp 24/7, and so thanks for the follow, Original Schism. And so because he's here, we'll do that. So thanks everyone for being here.
Wait, did someone just do a shrimp? Mount?
I don't think so. No, you're probably seeing the Santa hat.
Yeah.
No. I think Original Schism gave a shrimp.
Oh, was it? Oh, you're right. Original
Toss
Schism
it.
did do a shrimp.
Oh, it is.
He's so tiny, I didn't notice it. Didn't recognize it.
Amazing.
All right. It's shrimp
Shrimps.
24/7.
Yeah.
Shrimps.
Or shrimps plural. Yeah.
Oh, I love the stream. It's just a meme to try and get people to rate them, but I do find it legitimately calming.
Yeah.
It's amazing just that how much
Oh yeah, it can get
like
hundreds of
followers
views.
and subscribers. Just, you know, if you got into Twitch early and set up a shrimp tank with a camera on it, you're in. My shrimp are making money. I wonder if he makes enough money to, I guess, upkeep the tank and everything
Yeah.
like that.
It gets really annoying. I used to run or I was one of two people that ran a like pretty successsul Magic stream.
Yeah.
But it was before they paid people, which is
Ah.
A
really
moment ago,
annoying.
I thought you said you were running.
It's
I was
like-
like, wait, you used to run?
Yeah, I used to. You fuck. Like we were getting, like we did it once a week in like our local game shop. Like it was physical Magic, not
Yeah.
Magic Online. Like we were getting 200 people a stream.
Wow. That's great. All right.
We were doing, but it's just before Twitch was a thing that paid you. So
The shrimp
we stopped.
the shrimp timer is almost up. So thanks everyone for being here. And
All right.
and thanks CitrusThunder, Pocket Bear, and Murray87. Thank you so much.
Thanks again
was
for
really
having us.
Yeah. All right. I'll see you later.
Bro.
All right, later.